Imagine a car with no driver, no steering wheel, and no front or back. That's the Zoox autonomous robotaxi, developed by Amazon-owned Zoox. This fully electric vehicle is built from the ground up to be self-driving, not just a modified car. It can drive in both directions, rotate in place, and carry up to 4 passengers face-to-face, like a moving lounge. The Zoox robotaxi is designed for city ride-sharing, running on a powerful battery that lasts up to 16 hours on a single charge. With advanced sensors and AI, it promises safer, cheaper, and more sustainable transport without the need for human drivers. Zoox is already testing on public roads in the US, and in the near future, you could be booking one from an app, just like Uber, but completely driverless. Meet Tesla Optimus, Elon Musk's ambitious step into the world of humanoid robotics. Optimus is designed to handle repetitive, dangerous, and boring tasks that humans don't want to do. Standing about 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighing 125 pounds, it's equipped with artificial intelligence, cameras, and sensors. The same technology Tesla uses in its self-driving cars. The robot is expected to work in factories, warehouses, and even homes, helping with lifting, carrying, or basic household chores. Unlike other robots, Tesla Optimus is being developed to be affordable and mass-produced, with the vision of millions of them working alongside humans. If successful, Optimus could completely transform industries by reducing labor costs and even reshaping the future of everyday life. One of the most versatile machines being developed today is the hybrid aerial underwater drone, a vehicle that can seamlessly transition between flying in the air and diving deep underwater. Equipped with powerful propellers, it takes off like a drone, scouts areas from above, then plunges below the surface to explore oceans, lakes, or rivers. These drones are designed for search and rescue missions, marine research, and environmental monitoring. They can track pollution, study sea life, or even inspect offshore infrastructure like oil rigs and wind turbines. What makes them revolutionary is their dual-function capability, reducing the need for separate air and water vehicles. In the future, such drones could become essential tools for scientists, coast guards, and even disaster response teams, expanding human reach both above and beneath the surface. NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper mission could bring us closer than ever to finding alien life. The spacecraft will journey to Jupiter's icy moon Europa, a world believed to hide a vast subsurface ocean beneath its frozen crust. Europa Clipper will orbit Jupiter and perform dozens of close flybys of Europa using high-resolution cameras, ice-penetrating radar, and spectrometers to study the moon's surface and composition. Scientists want to know, could this hidden ocean support microbial life? If evidence of habitability is found, Europa would instantly become one of the most important locations in the search for life beyond Earth. More than just exploration, the mission represents humanity's drive to answer one of the biggest questions of all time: are we alone in the universe? This is what the airplanes of the future could look like: sleek, silent, and powered entirely by the sun. Solar-powered aircraft use lightweight solar panels built into their wings to capture energy from sunlight, storing it in advanced batteries that keep them flying even at night. Unlike traditional planes, these aircraft produce zero emissions, making them a game-changer for sustainable aviation. They're designed for long-duration flights at high altitudes, ideal for scientific research, environmental monitoring, or even providing internet access to remote regions. Projects like Solar Stratos and Solar Impulse have already proven that solar aviation is possible. As solar technology improves, we may one day see passenger planes that run on nothing but clean, renewable energy, transforming air travel into something both futuristic and eco-friendly. The Lilium jet is shaping the future of urban air mobility. Developed by the German company Lilium, it's an all-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOL, designed to function like an air taxi. What sets it apart is its 36 electric ducted fans built into the wings, allowing it to lift straight up like a drone and then fly forward like a plane. With a planned top speed of around 300 km/h and a range of more than 250 kilometers, it could connect cities in minutes instead of hours. The aircraft produces zero emissions, operates quietly compared to helicopters, and requires only small landing pads instead of full airports. Lilium envisions fleets of these jets operating in major cities worldwide, reducing road congestion and cutting travel time dramatically. If successful, the Lilium jet could make flying as routine as taking a train or taxi, ushering in a new era of clean and efficient air travel. AI-powered healthcare robots are transforming the way hospitals and clinics operate. These robots aren't just machines. They combine artificial intelligence, sensors, and automation to assist doctors, nurses, and patients in entirely new ways. Take Moxie, for example, a robot designed to deliver supplies, transport lab samples, and free up medical staff so they can focus on patient care. Some robots are even being developed to assist in surgeries, using AI to guide precise movements beyond human capability. In elderly care, AI robots can monitor vital signs, remind patients to take medications, or provide companionship, reducing loneliness and improving overall health. The real advantage is efficiency. By handling routine tasks, healthcare robots can help reduce burnout among staff and improve patient outcomes. As AI advances, we could see robots acting as essential team members in hospitals, bringing safer, faster, and more personalized healthcare to millions of people worldwide. Cultivated fish and seafood could completely change the way we eat. Instead of catching fish from the ocean, scientists grow real fish meat directly from cells in controlled labs. This process creates authentic seafood, from salmon to tuna, without harming marine life or depleting the oceans. The technology works by taking a small sample of cells from a fish, then feeding those cells with nutrients until they grow into muscle tissue, the same kind we eat. The result is genuine fish meat that looks, tastes, and cooks just like the real thing. Beyond solving overfishing, cultivated seafood is free from mercury, microplastics, and harmful chemicals often found in wild-caught fish. It also has a much smaller environmental footprint compared to traditional fishing or aquaculture. In the future, cultivated seafood could provide a sustainable and safe source of protein for billions of people, while helping restore balance to our oceans. Exoskeleton suits are wearable robotic systems designed to enhance human strength, endurance, and mobility. Think of them as real-life power armor. Lightweight frames worn over the body that support and amplify movement. In the industrial world, exoskeletons like the Sarcos Guardian XO allow workers to lift heavy objects with minimal effort, reducing injuries and fatigue. In healthcare, medical exoskeletons are helping people with paralysis or spinal injuries to walk again, restoring independence and mobility. Military applications are also being explored, giving soldiers the ability to carry heavy gear over long distances without strain. The technology combines advanced motors, sensors, and AI to move naturally with the human body. As these suits become more affordable and widespread, they could revolutionize how we work, heal, and protect ourselves, turning science fiction into an everyday reality. Agility Robotics Digit is a humanoid robot designed not just for research labs, but for real-world jobs. Standing at human height with 2 arms and 2 legs, Digit is built to navigate spaces designed for people, warehouses, factories, and even city sidewalks. Unlike wheeled robots, Digit can walk, climb stairs, and handle uneven ground, making it far more versatile. Its arms are capable of lifting and carrying packages, opening doors, or moving objects with surprising dexterity. Amazon has already begun testing Digit in its fulfillment centers, where it helps move and sort packages. By combining mobility with advanced AI, Digit can work safely alongside humans, handling repetitive or physically demanding tasks. The long-term vision is for robots like Digit to fill labor shortages, reduce workplace injuries, and eventually take on roles in logistics, delivery, and beyond, marking a huge step toward a world where humans and robots share the workforce. Honda's legendary robot Asimo may have retired, but the company is already working on its next generation of humanoid robots. Often referred to as the Asimo successor, this project aims to push robotics far beyond what the original Asimo could do. The new robots are expected to be lighter, smarter, and more adaptable, capable of using AI to learn from their environments and adjust to real-world tasks in factories, hospitals, or even disaster zones. Unlike Asimo, which was mostly a demonstration of balance and movement, Honda's new humanoids are being designed for practical applications, like assisting the elderly, carrying goods, or performing maintenance. Honda envisions a future where these robots can collaborate seamlessly with humans, offering support in daily life in industries alike. If successful, the Asimo successor could redefine Honda's legacy, shifting robotics from entertaining showcases to essential partners in work and society. Autonomous cargo ships are set to revolutionize global trade by sailing the seas without human crews. These vessels use advanced AI, radar, and GPS systems to navigate oceans, avoid collisions, and optimize routes more efficiently than traditional ships. Projects like the Yara Birkeland in Norway are already testing fully electric, autonomous ships that produce zero emissions. By removing the need for onboard crews, these vessels can reduce costs, improve safety, and operate continuously without fatigue or human error. In addition to cutting carbon emissions, autonomous ships could help address global supply chain challenges by moving goods faster and more reliably. They also reduce risks for sailors, especially on dangerous long-haul routes or in harsh weather conditions. If widely adopted, autonomous cargo ships could make international shipping cleaner, safer, and more efficient, transforming the backbone of world trade for decades to come. Smart fabrics and wearable technology are transforming everyday clothing into high-tech tools. Imagine a shirt that tracks your heart rate, a jacket that changes color with your mood, or workout gear that generates electricity from your body's movement. These fabrics are woven with sensors, conductive threads, and tiny electronics, turning clothing into data-collecting devices. In healthcare, smart fabrics can monitor vital signs in real time, alerting doctors to changes in a patient's condition. Athletes can use them to optimize performance, while everyday users may rely on them for fitness, sleep, and stress tracking. The technology is also moving into fashion and safety, from temperature-regulating jackets to uniforms that detect harmful gases. Unlike bulky gadgets, smart fabrics feel natural, blending seamlessly into daily life. As they become more advanced and affordable, smart clothing could replace many of today's wearables, making your wardrobe as smart as your smartphone. Metaverse workspaces are redefining how we collaborate in the digital age. Instead of staring at flat screens during video calls, imagine putting on a VR headset and stepping into a virtual office where colleagues appear as avatars sitting around the same table. These immersive environments allow teams to brainstorm on 3D whiteboards, share files in real time, and even build virtual prototypes together. Unlike traditional remote work, metaverse offices provide a stronger sense of presence, making collaboration feel more natural and engaging. Companies like Meta, Microsoft, and NVIDIA are already developing these platforms, blending VR, AR, and AI into the workplace. The benefits include reduced travel costs, global connectivity, and more creative interactions. As hardware gets lighter and software more advanced, metaverse workspaces could become the new standard, turning remote work into a fully interactive, borderless experience. Vertical farming skyscrapers could transform the way cities feed themselves. Instead of relying on farmland miles away, these futuristic towers grow crops inside high-rise buildings right in the heart of urban centers. Using advanced hydroponics, aeroponics, and LED lighting, vertical farms can produce food year-round with far less water and no need for soil. They're protected from weather, pests, and climate change, making food production more reliable and sustainable. Imagine walking through a city where vegetables, fruits, and even grains are grown floor by floor in glass skyscrapers. This reduces the need for transportation, cuts carbon emissions, and ensures fresh produce is always nearby. Companies and architects around the world are already experimenting with designs, from greenhouse towers to mixed-use buildings with farms built into them. In the future, vertical farming skyscrapers could make cities self-sufficient, feeding millions while saving the planet's farmland. And there you have it, a glimpse into some of the most exciting technologies shaping our future. From robots and flying taxis to sustainable farming and space exploration, it's clear the world is entering a whole new era of innovation. Which of these technologies are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more content about the future of science and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.